Hello guys, and welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to delete your YouTube channel from mobile. This process is straightforward but requires a few steps to complete. Make sure you're ready and let's dive in. Firstly, launch the YouTube app on your mobile device. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then select Manage your Google account from the drop-down. This will open your Google account settings in a new browser page. On the Google account page, scroll down to find Data and Privacy and tap on it. Just look for the option Delete a Google service and select it. Just note that you may need to enter your passcode to confirm your login. Next, you'll see a list of Google services linked to your account. Tap on the bin icon next to the YouTube to proceed. You will now see two options, just like on the desktop version. Select I want to permanently delete my content and check both confirmation boxes. Then tap Delete my content to continue. Now, type in your email address or channel name as final confirmation, and once you've entered the required information, just tap Delete my content to permanently delete your YouTube channel. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.